So I've been getting quite a few questions about how to afford land and where to afford land, where they can find land that they don't need building permits. Most of the country outside of the cities and in the counties actually don't have building permit requirements. And all you have to do is to call the county and ask them if they have a building inspection department. If they don't, then it's a free and clear county where more than likely you can do pretty much whatever you want to. Now, the next thing I want to point out is that in the larger cities like San Francisco and quite a few other cities, rental property prices are already dropping by 10%. And we've had this little COVID pandemic, and the pandemic became the plandemic that a lot of people have used to force us into a recession or to force us to change our way of life. And whether we wanted it or not, we have a recession coming. If not a recession, then an outright depression. So for those of you who are really wanting to get off grid and move out into the country, I would highly recommend you start putting every penny back that you can and save a few $1,000s. It doesn't take a whole lot of space to homestead. As little as half an acre is enough. An acre is definitely enough for a family of 4 if you intensively manage the property. It can provide absolutely everything you need. Maybe not what you want. If you want cows, for example, you need a minimum of 5 acres. 7 to 12 acres would be better. But the point is that as this recession is going to dwarf the last recession, and it may become a depression, there's coming an opportunity to buy some land at some really good prices. And it may be just outside of where you might expect it to be, but it's going to be there. So with every tragedy comes great opportunity. So I would encourage you guys to prepare, put back all the money you can. If you have an opportunity to sell your house and you're wanting to do that anyway, then you best get it done soon. And this will put you in a very, very good position to get some of this affordable land and get off grid or create your own homestead, or at the very least build your own downsized retirement home and prepare yourself to live a better life while the rest of the world is really going to be struggling.